Hello guys, here we have the new Panorama 3 Bowers & Wilkins soundbar, and we're gonna do the unboxing. It's that long, you see, it's not a small one, it's a huge one. This is the dark finish, it comes in a white as well. And we're gonna check inside. Probably there is a box in a box, as we have seen from other soundbars. So I removed it from the big box. Now we're in a small box and it has a special paper, as I say. You see here, we detach these tapes. It's easy now. You see, here we are with the box of the Panorama 3. Handle, paper, remove the paper. And here we are. So it's a Dolby Atmos soundbar, comes without subwoofer because it's built-in, has Bluetooth, so it's very huge to move it around. Has built-in AirPlay, Tidal, you know, from the app you can do everything, stream, Bluetooth, aptX, HDMI in, and that's it. I removed the white cover, now we have another box. So, yes. Has paper inside and no foams. That is very good because you can recycle it easily. So let's have a look inside. As you can see here, the soundbar lies here. It's covered with this fiber. It's covered with this cloth. I removed the soundbar, and what else we have inside here? We have a bracket for wall mounting. It has no remote control because everything is from the app. And of course, it has HDMI cable to start with, your first connections. Some screws for the wall mounting. Yes, we have the power cable, one for the UK and one for the European countries. And then we have a beautiful envelope with the quick start guide. Soundbar is there, covered for us. Finally, we reach the inside point. Tapes, 3 tapes to go. Uncovering the soundbar is the black, as I said, finish. And it's this one, big, huge soundbar from Bowers & Wilkins Panorama. So here is the soundbar. It has this tape, this protection on it. I have to remove this one. And then from the other side I have to do the same. You see the length? It's bigger than 1 meter. The soundbar in front has this kind of cloth. This is not flat, it's like angled face. And so we have the power for the power cable, USB-C for service, optical in, reset to start from scratch our installation, Ethernet if we like to go with the cable, and HDMI to drive the soundbar with Dolby Atmos from our TV. So underneath we have these elastic pads, 2 here, 4 in the middle, and 2 at the other end. On the top we have this grill, probably it's metallic because it's cold, this grill all the way. Underneath the grill here we have drivers, probably 2 here, for the one for the bass and 1 for the Atmos, 2 here and 2 from the other side. You see how beautiful is, and the logo. To have a look inside, it's easy because this soundbar, you just pull this up and it goes off easily, I hope. Yes. This is metallic, the grill, as I said. Let's try to have a look inside. This is the Dolby Atmos, the one side. You see the horn that this driver channel is loaded. This is the subwoofer, one of the 2 that is built in. You see BMR technology. If we like to check it on the back, we can see how powerful is this driver in order to not increase the temperature and to control the sound. You see how it moves. So on the other side we have exactly the same configuration. In front now. In front, at the one side we have this tweeter with a metallic grill. You see, there is a metallic grill behind the cloth that another protection in front. So because nobody can touch this dome there, which is very sensitive in terms of touching. Then we have two drivers, full range ones, not racetrack drivers, but circle one. This is the one that I have removed just to check it. You see the magnet, it's a very powerful one, even though it's small in diameter. You see the cable is very well treated with this special foam around. The cabinet there inside has this honeycomb shape in order to provide this extra stiffness in the cabinet. So at the one side we have this configuration, two full range drivers, as you can see, 1, 2, and then we have one tweeter. The same repeats here on the other side, one tweeter at the outer side, and then following two full range drivers. So in the center, I don't like to unscrew everything. In the center we have two more drivers like this one. The central channel is exactly like this. This is the central channel. So as we can see, this soundbar is extremely good. 2 for the bass, 2 for the Dolby Atmos, and 3 channels in front. So the configuration here, it's 3.2, let's say, or 1 for the bass, and 2 for the Atmos channels. So it's 3.1.2. Very nice. I like it. So my smartphone already discovered the soundbar. I had the app here, downloaded, and then I saw this notification here. Let's set it up. Let's say family room. So it has only one Wi-Fi band. This is 2.4 gigahertz. So as usually we have a firmware update. So from the app we can adjust the tone, treble, bass, to select input, to learn commands and other remote control. Amazon Alexa, restart, factory reset. This is Dolby Atmos.
I've given us enough for the sea to survive what we sell.
This is Dolby Atmos, the world's first object-based cinematic audio. With powerful moving audio that transcends from channels to moving around you with pinpoint accuracy. Whether the soundscape sits the mood of a scene, captures the full extent of nature's fury.
Increase the volume. On the app, on our smartphone, we can see Dolby Atmos indication that the sound now is Dolby Atmos. And the bass is very good, even though it has no subwoofer.
Just a little hot and sweaty in this booth.
Baby.
Ladies, let's go.
Because of the royalties, I can't play long, you know. Let's hear a few tones from this more of the cut for the bass. It's stereo, not Dolby Atmos. Very good. So guys, I think you got an idea what is all about this soundbar. Thank you for watching. It's very good, very high-end, costs almost 1,000 euros and has the features Has a lot of features from the app. No subwoofer, included the subwoofer, and later you can extend it, but not right now. We need a new firmware to do that. Thanks for watching.